Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're looking at 3 top things that we like about the LG AIDD V3 washing machine. It helps your clothes last longer, saves time, and lets you get more into each load. Let's head over to the lab so we can look at these in a bit more detail. There's actually built-in intelligence which knows the best ways to look after your clothes during the wash cycle so you can keep wearing them for even longer. Whenever you pop a load in, AIDD analyzes the weight and softness so that it can automatically tailor the movement of the drum during the wash cycle. This actually gives you up to 18% more fabric protection, so you can keep wearing your favorite clothes again and again. You can spend less time when you're washing if you're in a rush by using the Speed 14 cycle. Now the Speed 14 cycle can get through 2 kilos of washing in just 14 minutes, giving you a really quick turnaround on anything you want washed and ready to wear, even on the same day. The drum inside actually fits more clothes into it without increasing the overall size of the washing machine, so you can get more into every load and keep on top of your washing. LG's low vibration technology stops the drum from moving around so much, so you need less space inside the washing machine. If you'd like more information on the LG washing machine, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.